From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at Bitcoin. And so here's the thing: it is a very uh, crazy candlestick that we have for the Monday session. There were a lot of big orders coming into the market for sell orders, and a lot of times that's a sign of a so-called whale trying to cash out profits. And think about it: most of the whales, as it were, bought not even down here, but real years and years and years ago. So why would you not cash out a little bit? So I don't think this necessarily signifies this is the end for Bitcoin. I'm not saying that, but what I am saying is that the Monday session was a perfect example of how dangerous parabolic markets can be. And that's especially true if you're leveraged. Now, if you're a longer term, hodler, then fine. You're okay with it dropping down to 48,000 before popping up another 5. But this kind of brings up one of the major fragilities of the market is that a huge portion of the coins are in just a handful of wallets. So even though institutions are starting to jump in and it is pushing the speculative mania, it's kind of ironic. It's thought of as money, and then it's store of value, and then it's gold, but it's banking, and I think it's kind of trying to figure out what it is, and in the process, as the speculative mania continues, it makes it not money, because you can't have money that behaves like this. You can't do transactions for any real length of time. So it's kind of a chicken or the egg problem. So we'll see. I do think that we're going to get a pullback. You can't go parabolic like this forever. And Monday was a perfect example of, how it can just suddenly come undone. I really like the idea of 40,000 underneath. I recognize that 50 is support, but that's really what I'd like to see. Now, based upon technical analysis, we still have a target of 60,000. And the fact that we almost got there on Monday in this type of action shows you just how easily that could happen. Things are getting very volatile in Bitcoin, even more so than usual. So I suspect we have not seen the last of the shakeout.